Well, good morning and welcome. Today we are at a home in Livermore, Colorado, and we're going to be doing a complete chimney and stove replacement. Now we are inside on the first floor. Here's our freestanding wood-burning stove. So we're going to redo it and try and bring the box out from the wall, move that pipe further out, and get proper clearance, get a new unit in here. Up goes the box. Stoves will require the presence of a stovetop adapter, and this will just nicely go down and rest right there and transition to our pipe. So now we're upstairs in the master bedroom, and we're going to watch the chimney pipe be lowered down from above, and we just line them up. All right, so today we've completed the installation of the Quadrafire Discovery 2. There was an existing stove here which we removed and replaced with this one, and what we're looking for is about 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit, at least 1,200 down here in this firebox, and we will be completely burning the byproducts of combustion.